Marketplace has a mature digital offering known as Airlabs, which combines our world-leading facilitation approach coupled with a selection of enabling technologies to produce a range of collaboration experiences. An Airlab can be anything you need it to be. We're a technology agnostic and can cater for any technical or security requirements you have.
My first inclination was, all right, this year, or at least while COVID is happening, we're not going to be able to do our workshops.
Sometimes people could be a little bit apprehensive. Am I going to be able to do all this complex online stuff?
Because how do you take high school girls and say, we're going to have this great interactive experience online?
With Airlabs, we don't simply think about how we can recreate face-to-face events. We consider what the event hopes to achieve and how we can best enhance the digital medium to create meaningful, collaborative interactions.
This was such a professionally run workshop. It was so carefully crafted so that the participants could still have the interactive nature.
We aim not to just meet the face-to-face experience, but to exceed it. When we design a screenplay, we're looking to curate the participants' experience. We want to make sure that the flow between facilitators is seamless, even if we have a number of players working behind the scene.
I do work with a lot of Fortune 50 companies, and I haven't seen this level of thought and preparation put into a video workshop. And I think that becomes really, really important because what everybody else is doing as we're adjusting to this new COVID environment is let's just slap it onto Zoom and go from there. This really changes that.
Airlabs really do cover the range of engagements and interactions, whether it's a co-design workshop, whether we're trying to bring together a stakeholder conversation, an innovation lab, whether we're trying to do user testing of the digital experience, or trying to do something more ethnographic and actually follow somebody around in the house and get a snapshot of their life. Our Airlabs have been created to allow all of that to happen in a very sophisticated way that is very easy for the participants. And that's why we're so excited about them.